All right. Good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Focus in the camera, ate. All right. So,
Yes.
do you have any work? Um, do you have tattoos in your skin?
No, ma'am.
You don't have.
You don't have, ma'am.
So, are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy po, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am. I have experience in Saudi Arabia
Okay, so why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
because Malaysia is safe country near in the Philippines, same time, and no abuse, no murder, no killing.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Lita Manibog.
How old are you?
I'm 42 years old. I'm single and I'm Roman Catholic.
You don't
I
have
have
any children.
I have no mom.
All right. Okay, please proceed. Introduce yourself.
My name is Lita Manibog. I'm 42 years old. I'm single and I'm Roman Catholic. I have experience in Saudi Arabia in 2 years and I serve a 7 people, 2 adults and 5 children. My household chores is taking care of the children, cleaning, washing, ironing, and cooking. Ma'am and sir, if you hire me, I will do my duties and responsibility, follow your rules and regulations. I'm hardworking, trustworthy, honest, and patient to children. Thank you.
All right. So I need to know some few more details from you first, Lita. All right. So when is your birthday?
August 22, 1982.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 150 and my weight is 62.
Okay. What is your educational background?
High school graduate, ma'am.
All right. Is your family allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How many brother and sister do you have?
I have 11 siblings, 3 brothers, and 6 sisters.
What is your rank in your family?
I'm rank number 6, ma'am.
You're the sixth. What about your parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My father is deceased po, ma'am. Then my mother is 76 years old here in
Senior
the
citizen.
ma'am.
All right. So you mentioned that according to your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2023 to 2025. So according to your profile, way back 2023 to 2025, you finished your contract in KSA for 2 years, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And you mentioned that got seven family members inside the house. You take care of children, do house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing. Are you the only helper inside the house, or do you have any companion?
I'm only one, ma'am.
All right. How old are those children that you take care?
I have 24, 22, 16, 11, and 3.
All right. So what happened? Why, of course, you finished your contract. Why you didn't renew your contract to this employer and decided to go back home?
Because my mother, mom, is senior citizen.
Okay.
Then she go to hospital
Okay.
to go there, ma'am. Need to come back here in the Philippines, ma'am.
All right. So you know that this is a 2 years contract also at the same time that once you terminate your contract without cause is you have a consequences, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So Working here in Malaysia is not that so easy, and you know that this is not your first time working as an OFW, so domestic is a very tough one. This is not an easy job. And I would like to let you know that working here in Malaysia is different. Houses here is quite big. Employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes po, ma'am. I'm ready.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Same po, ma'am.
Sorry?
Ma'am? Sorry po, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes po, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
I'm willing po, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes po, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
I'm willing, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets? It's a yes or no.
Yes po, ma'am.
All right. So I don't want later that you will going to compare the KSA and Malaysia. Okay? Every employer's got different rules and regulations, and you knew it. Yeah.
Yes,
So this is a 2 years contract, and any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, or if you cannot handle your job anymore, you wanted to go back home, and you know that you cannot easily go back home, right? Because you have signed a 2 years contract. Once you terminate your contract without cause, you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, correct? Are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours?
Yes, ma'am.
You can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. This is a strictly no go out policy. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here, as I have mentioned many times. If you disagree, it's fine. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah?
Yes.
How do you fight your homesickness? Like, how do you handle your homesickness?
I make a busy in my household chores in the house. I make busy myself in the home my work.
All right. Remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad, because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your family at the same time. In Philippines, we can do whatever we want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to humble ourselves. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer, because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Lita.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day.
Thank you po, ma'am.